Yo, Prof here, and we got a bit of a surprise for you guys. Yes, this is the new Shining Fates, specifically the pin collection that nobody can get because they're all out of stock. I did manage to get some of these through Amazon. I think there's 4 different ones, and we don't have just one. We have 2. And this video, we're going to open up one of them. I'm actually going to do the Dedenne one first, because that's my preferred Pokemon. But I do find the Galarian Mr. Rime quite interesting. I had no idea there was an evolved form of Mr. Mime. But yeah, we'll be taking a look at both of these. And I really would like to get the other 2, but man oh man, I think these are like pretty cheap. It's supposed to be normally like 15 bucks or something, 20 at most. Something around there, and they're going for like 50 right now. So it's because like nobody can get anything Shining Fates. People were surprised when I had a couple packs in another video. So yeah, let's get to opening. We're just doing Dedenne first because that's my preferred Pokemon. All right, so this is specifically the. Camera turned a bit or something. This is specifically the Shining Fates Mad Party Pin Collection. Dedenne. Includes one foil promo card, 1 enamel pin, 3 packs online card. And that looks to be what I have here. So let's get to opening. Slicey boy. And there we go. Sharp blade is fast and easy work. Let's see if on these newest ones, let's see if they are they've bent promo cards or not, because a lot of the older ones, this is how it looks by the way inside the cardboard that I forgot to take a picture of. Oh, it's going back in. I'll just hold the bottom, or we'll do like that. A lot of times with the promo cards they're bent because of how they're held. In there, like when there's just a tab at the top and bottom, they will bend the card because of that, especially if it's been through a bit of heating and cooling. All right, and there we go. I always forget. Oh. And I just remembered, I forgot to take pictures of the hollows in the last tin. I will have to do that before I put stuff away. Because if you guys follow over on my Twitter or Instagram at the Prof, you'll see how I do announcements there for my videos. I have, at first I'll just have a picture of like what we're opening, and then the second picture that's a day or 2 after when the Pokemon video actually comes out, I will have pictures of the actual stuff I pulled. Some people can be like, "Oh, you pulled that? Let's see how that went," or whatever. You know, just an interesting way to do it. Yep, that is a curved bent card, as expected for promo cards. Like if you ever get those, with some of these videos I have some like repacks, not bad ones, like where companies have repacked and resold them. A lot of times you'll see the hollows in there, especially are the curved hollows. What that probably means is that they are from tins or pin boxes like this, and then repacked. They pull out all the good stuff. And realistically, I remember the promo hollows aren't rare, because anybody who gets this pin collection gets that holo. They are some of the coolest ones sometimes, though. And this Dedenne is pretty dope. We'll put that off to the side for now, because I need to make a sleeve up for it. Because for those promo ones or decks, I write on the back where it came from, just for reference, because I never remember. Here's the Dedenne pin. It is quite nice. I wish it was one of the gold ones, though. The gold ones seem to always be a little bit better quality, in my experience. What do you suggest I do with the pins, though, too? Because I have a whole big stack of them. And if you guys are interested in any of these online cards, you can hit me up on Twitter at the Prophecyst, and I'm definitely willing to give them away. Just let me know which one you're looking for. I have started using some of them, and the deck ones I may or may not, but I mean, if you guys really want them, just hit me up. No problem there. The only reason why the deck ones is I haven't tried one yet, but I think those actually give you the deck in the online, which I think I have started playing a little, so that might be nice to have. Alright, so we have 3 Shining Fates packs. I have opened 2 the other night, which then made me realize I might have actually opened some of these way back before I really even knew what any of this stuff was. Because I kind of just got what I could, because it's so hard to get stuff. So let's start out here with this bird dude. Yeah, you like my Pokemon names, don't you? Bird dude. I don't know if I get hired over at the Pokemon company. I do have a friend, though, or a close acquaintance, that does translation for localization of Nintendo games. He used to translate anime. Ooh, that's a bit on the sweeter side. That was a nice pull there. First Shining Fates from this pin collection. Oop. And we got 1, 2, 3. There we go. Kramer Morant. Just gotta focus up here. Rusted Shield. Edelgos. Trapinch. Shinx. That's pretty dope art there. It's like static electricity coming off in the grass. Rowlet. Eevee. I think I mentioned that Eevee before. Very well done. Doggy paddling Eevee. More Pico. Reverse Hollow Team Yell Towel. Ooh. Poke Kid, I will get that up in a second. I just want to get this Team Yellow Towel in one of my signature yellow matte sleeves. Get your own color, guys. It's my color. I'm kidding, by the way. I mean, ideally, please. Or use the color for your deck or something, you know. But all my cards I tend to make... I use that matte yellow. The matte ones seem to actually be very better if you want a glossy front. You can get them without that, though. But then I would get, you know, a different one. But here you go, Poke Kid. Full art trainer card. And I believe this is a metal energy. I learned that recently. See? I can learn things, guys. Or is it steel? I forget. One of those, you know, I know it's not gold. It's not gold energy. It's not a titanium energy. It's not an iron energy. Alright. So I'm thinking that this first pull was pretty good with that full hollow Poke Kid there. It's not a secret hollow, but it is a full hollow trainer card, which I think is pretty much new to the Shining Fates, minus I have the Marnie one that's like full rainbow hollow nuts from one of the previous ones. Alright, let's... Come on, baby. Oh, we tore. Card. 1, 2, 3. Flip it over. And we have a Tropius, or Tropius, just tropical. Gym Trainer, I have plenty of those. Luxio. Cacnea. That, I think I've seen that art before. A very similar art. Horsey. Q-Fant. I always feel like Q-Fant should evolve into Coppergel. Choodle. Yanma. This is the one that makes... Ooh! There we go. We got the polls tonight, apparently. Rillaboom V. That is... Followed by an Alchemy V. What is going on? Dark Energy. Are these pulls anymore, or are these lifts? I think we're lifting. Yeah, just... Oh, dang. And our last Shining Fates pack from the Dedenne. What is it? Mad Party Pin Collection. One of, I believe, 4 there are in that collection. 4 different pins you can get. It's one. Oh, did I tear it? I might have torn it. Let's hope not. Come on. Oh. Nope, it tore in the front. Remember, I thought I told it. We had such good run leading up to this, you know? Let's, come on, baby. Rolling them dice. Alright, our last one here. 3rd pack. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got another Luxio. Let's focus in here. Team Yellow. I think I just got a reverse hollow one of those, yes. Gym Trainer again. Snom. I like that Snom. I could go for a hollow one of that. Horsey. Rowlet. Morpeko, a different Morpeko. Spinnerack. Hollow Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Oh, that's pretty dope. And and another Alchemy V. Well, if any of you are interested in this, since I have 2, I'm willing to trade it away, sell it off. I only need 1. And then Fighting Energy. So, these are some spicy pulls. Like I said, I think we're lifting this time. Galarian Mr. Rhyme. And we got another Alchemy V. For warning, guys, a lot of times I'll pull and I'll just get in a tin all reverse hollows. That's all I get. So the fact that I double pulled on each one, and in one case double pulled V's, that's it's quite good. So we'll have to do a little bit of a recap. So this is considered Shining Fates Mad Party Pin Collection Dedenne. So yeah. Alright, let's do a recap. Alright, so here's our, I'm gonna call these our lifts, our pulls. Just kidding, Pokemon pulls here. And I think we got off pretty darn well, if I do say so myself. We have, of course, the Mad Party Pin Collection promo with Dedenne. Mad Party's even on there as one of the options. Then we have a reverse hollow Team Yellow. Probably the worst pull of the night. Not in a bad way, but then we have a full art Pokekid trainer card. Followed by a Rillaboom V. Then we have an Alchemy V. And we have a Galarian Mr. Rhyme Hollow. Looking pretty, that's a nice looking hollow there. And then we have another Alchemy V. So we're just lifting here, you know. Lifting them poke stonks. You know? I think this went probably as good as it can. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Hit subscribe and notify so you get notified of the next video that's going to have the next Mad Party pin collection, Galarian Mr. Rhyme, that we're going to open up here. See you in the next one, hopefully.